Find the value of 0.014 raised to the power of 3. 0.014 raised to the power of 3. Solution. We have 0.014 raised to the power of 3. We can express 0.014 as a proper fraction. That's the first thing to do. We can express it as a proper fraction. And look at, we have 14 here. The two single digits we have here is 14. So we write that one first. Then what do? How many numbers do we have after the decimal point? We have 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. And the 3 numbers will now form the number of zeros after 1. Because at the denominators, we are going to have the powers of 10. So in that case, we write 1. And how many numbers are we having after decimal point? 1, 2, 3. So it will form 3 zeros. So this is going to be raised to the power of 3 because 14 divided by 1000 is the same thing as 0.014. So these 3 we have fed, or we can split it like this. I can decide to split it like this. Since we have raised to the power of 3, I can write 14 over 1000 times 14 over 1000 times 14 over 1000. 1, 2, 3. You can see. So in this case, we need to multiply. For the numerator, 14 times 14 will give us 289. 14 times 14 mistake. How many? Make it up. 14 times 14, 196. Pick up.
As you clean. He hasn't written anything.
No, I've not.
So 3, 2, 1, pick up.
So from here we have 14 over 1000 times 14 over 1000 times 14 over 1000. Now 14 times 14 is 196. So we need to multiply 196 by 14. Multiplying by 14, what do we have? 4 times 6, that is 24. Then what do? We carry 2. 4 times 9, we have 36. Plus 2, that is 38. Then we carry 3. Now, 4 times 1, what do we have? That is 4. 4 plus 3, that's 7. Now, using 1. 1 times 6, we have 6. 1 times 9, we have 9. Then 1 times 1, we have 1. Now, from here, what do we have? Adding. This is 4. 6 plus 8, that is what? 14. Then we carry 1. 1 plus 7, that is 8. 8 plus 9, that is 17. Then we carry 1 also. Now, 1 plus 1, what do we have? That is 2. So we have this to be what? 2,744. Divided by what? Now, to multiply the denominators. 1, 2, 3. We count the number of zeros together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 zeros. So it's going to be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We have 9 zeros. So we have 9 zeros. So we need to convert this also. This is a proper fraction. We need to convert our answer back to the form of decimal. So in that case, what do? Since we are having a proper fraction, we map from the front. So we map 2 to 1. Then if you map 7 to 0, we map 7 to zeros. Then we map 4. We map 4 to zeros. We map 4 to zeros. So you can see the unmapped numbers the unmapped zeros that we have at denominator, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will form our zeros before the fourth secant number. So what are we going to do? We have 0.0000. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we now write what we have at the numerator, which is what? 2744. So it means that the final answer is 0.00002744. That is the final answer. Thank you.